Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today we have the long overdue Bilt 2620 two-stage snowblower, 208cc engine, 26-inch clearing kit. Now, this snowblower video is going to be an updated version of my Cub Cadet and Craftsman snowblower that you can fix in less than 5 minutes if it's not running. These videos were posted in the infancy of my YouTube channel. So I used to have the GoPro on top of my head and the sound quality isn't great. So if you followed my channel, my videos have gotten better and the quality has gotten better because over time I have evolved. So I always tell you guys that I appreciate your comments, good and bad. So I just want to give a shout out to Rob Downs, Delman Campbell, Loren Wettenholt, even though Loren said the video was great, the sound quality was poor, and Kevin Cascaded, right? This video is for you guys and everybody else. So YouTube is something that I do together, right? So this is a service that I perform to you, and you guys do a service for me by commenting and letting me know what's going on. So, like I said, appreciate the comments, keep them coming, and if you guys followed me on Instagram, if you guys follow me on Instagram, which you should because Instagram follows my YouTube, I have 3 of these snowblowers. One I bought on purpose for you guys. I overpaid for it, but I did it for you guys because I wanted to make right. I wanted to make right because I did you guys wrong by posting a really half-assed video in the infancy. So now, with different mentality and better equipment, we're going to do it better. So, even though it's a different color and a different brand, MTD makes Bilt, Craftsman, Cub Cadet, and a few other off-branded snowblowers. So generally you're buying the same machine, just a different pay scheme, and a Cub Cadet you pay a little bit more because on their 26-inch and even on their 24 you get power steering, and I'm almost positive full shoot control. You know, this one only moves it left and right? And then you have to do that up and down my hand. A Cub Cadet, it's all here. Nonetheless, the engine is the same. So I am going to show you 2 ways to do this, right? The original video is quick and dirty, as Henry would say, from Mowers and Blowers. You should check him out. And the other way is going to be, we're going to fully take this thing apart if it needs it. So, nonetheless, let's check out why the snowblower isn't starting. This isn't mine. Remember, I had 3 of these. One I found in the garbage on the way from helping a very good buddy of mine. I did a very good deed for him, and I guess I was awarded, blessed, universe, God, whoever, says, here, find the snowblower in the garbage. I found it. The other one I bought, and this one is actually, this is in for a tune-up, but now it needs a repair because it doesn't run. So, he didn't know it didn't run, which was an awkward conversation. I never liked this, but he is a repeat customer. I've been doing this for 3 years. He's been with me since day 1. Tools you will need. 10mm gear wrench. You can actually do this entire repair with just a 10mm wrench, but I'm going to do a few things. I'm going to use my ratchet to quicken things up. Nonetheless, we have to confirm that this thing does not run. So let's put this back in. I'm already jumping ahead of this. So, grab it, choke, primer. Getting something, a little bit of a backfire. Let's see what we got. It almost wants to turn over. Come on, girl. Okay, it's not turning over. So, first thing we're going to do, pull the spark plug out, right here, and then the spark plug. That's 5/8. Let's see what kind of view you guys are getting. So you're going to pull the boot out, you're going to see the spark plug right there. Right? I'm just going to take that out because it's a pain in the butt to access the carburetor and the hold down screws and the cover actually hold the carburetor, the carburetor flush to the block. So we're going to do this. It's actually not too bad. Remember, I tuned this up last year. So we're going to take some go-go juice. We're going to spray it down the hole. We're going to put the spark plug back in. As you guys notice, see, I'm doing this by hand. No air tools, no nothing. You do not want to strip this block. Please, please do not do that, because then you're taking hopefully something simple and you're making it very complicated. Spark plug in, reconnect the boot, and let's see what happens. So it's firing. Alright. So, it's trying to fire and die. Why is this clicking? Alright, so it trying to kick over and die means we have what? You have spark. You have air. You have compression, we're missing fuel, which equals combustion. So it's fuel-related issue. So we're going to try this the first way, quick and dirty, and let me get this thing up in the service position. Alright, so we're in the service position, and that would be the bucket on the floor and machine tilted up. Now, there is going to be fuel coming out, so make sure you have a rag or something the fuel's going to drip out. This machine, it's a little bit in the pain to cap, the fuel line off. Like I said, we're going to try this quick and dirty. So we are now, this is your, both of these hold the carburetor, oops, that's my hoodie. Both of these hold the carburetor bowl to the carburetor itself. This is your drain, and this is the nut that holds it itself. So when you're servicing your machine, you want to winterize it, you take off this bolt. When you want to remove the bowl, you use this one. So righty tighty, lefty loosey, remember 10 millimeter. There is gas that's going to be coming out. There isn't. So maybe it's not as full as we thought. So here is a wire. You could use anything, a twisty tie, a wire tie. We just need to stick it right in the middle hole. That's all we have to do. Right? I'm going to try and clear up that jet. So I'm going to show you how you guys should be doing it. Come on. You just got to kind of feel for it. Unless we're way off. Alright, let's take off the bowl. Yep, here comes the fuel. And look at the inside. It's not so bad. But you see this here? Inside there is a jet. We need to get inside that jet. In my other videos, I used a welding wire tip cleaner. You see that? This wire is just a little too flexible. So let's harden this up. stick it in there, and then for good measure, we're going to get some brake clean in there. So quick and dirty. Stick the tip in right so, and give it a squeeze. Okay. And that is that. So, it's pretty good. So if you guys can see the little bit of rust in there. That'll be fine. Okay, stick that bowl back in. Remember, you want the drain jet facing you so it's easier to access. Let's get the machine down. Alright, so we got the machine down. Let's see what we got. Prime it. Hook up our electric start so we don't have to pull this thing a bunch of times. Almost there. Alright, so we're back. Got a little bit ahead of myself. The gas is no good because guess what? It was over a year old. Nonetheless, had to drain the gas. When I spilled a little gas, I ended up just washing it off a little bit, so that's why it's wet. Got the electric start plugged in. I'm going to prime it. On. Let's hit it. Now it might be a little rough because remember I washed it and it's its first start. Alright, so the backfiring and all that stuff is just, we spray brake cleaner in there, we drain the gas, there's still going to be a little bit of residue. Plus the machine's also been sitting dormant, so it also needs to work out whatever's in there out. So I let it run outside for maybe an additional 5 more minutes, and the backfiring went away. And the smoke cleared out too from everything else. Alright guys, that's it. So, quick, easy, and dirty, as we like to call it. We did not have to take the carburetor apart. We just poked a hole through the jet, sprayed some brake clean, drained out the old gas, put some fresh gas in there, and we are good to blow. Now, this is also a good time to start servicing the machine, changing the oil, greasing everything, alright? Those I have very well documented on my YouTube channel in my current process. So at the end of the video, I am going to put a link at the end, a little thumbnail at the end where you click on it and it'll take you to a build that I have very similar to this, where it shows you how to change the oil, modify the impeller. I think I had to drill out the jet. It's different with New York. I don't want to take away the purpose of this video. So anyway, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Alright guys, if you guys found this video helpful, remember, you see these people? You guys better be commenting. You guys better be commenting, because I will be calling all of you guys out. Right? I'm going to go back to my video, I'm going to go to your comments and post a link to this one. Alright guys, I really appreciate you guys giving me some feedback, always constructive. Alright? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. If you guys found this video helpful, smash the like button, smash that subscribe button. Guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Later.